So what motivates you to move? I just got a message that I'm losing a Fitbit challenge. I don't know how these people are getting so many steps. So I decided I better come out here in the backyard and walk around a lot. You know, the good thing is I can come out several times a day, as many times as I want, because I work from home, luxury. And I just put my headset on and I listen to a podcast and I just walk, and it's awesome. It's a great break. It's good for my brain, and it gets those steps in. So, you know, even though I work out and, you know, my classes are an hour or whatever and my workouts are 30 or 40 minutes, I still don't feel like I get enough movement during the day. All I have to do is look at my Fitbit or my Apple Watch and I can see that I'm not getting enough steps. I need to get 10,000 steps at least. And sometimes I'm just not doing that unless I really push myself. So here I am, pushing myself and having fun doing it. It feels awesome.